All right, this is our topic 8-9, additional practice problem number 8. It says Morgan made the display block shown. What is the volume of the block, and explain your answer. So she made this block that's kind of an L shape, and you're trying to find the volume of the entire thing. So it looks like it is made up of two rectangular prisms that I'm going to divide it into so that we can find the volume of each rectangular prism and then add those volumes together. So I'm going to divide it right here. Some people might actually divide it here too. Both of those are correct. It just depends on which way you want to do it. So I'm going to divide it there. So now I have two rectangular prisms. We know that to find the volume of one rectangular prism, we find the area of the base, capital B, times the height. Area of the base times the height. Now these are both rectangular prisms, so I know how to find the area of a rectangle, right? So for the first one, we have volume is equal to the area of the rectangle is going to be base times height. So if I start with this lower one, the base of my rectangle is 7. The height of this rectangle, if we follow these parallel lines, is going to be the same as it is here, so that's 3. And then the height of this prism, so this is the base, the height of this prism goes this way. So it looks like the height of that is 8. All right, so volume is going to be equal to 7 times 3 is going to be 21 times 8. So the area of the base is 21 and then multiplied by my height. Volume is going to be equal to 21 times 8 is 168 centimeters cubed. All right, and now if I do the second piece, the volume of our second rectangular prism, I have volume is going to be equal to the same, the area of the base times our height of the prism. So the area of this base, if this entire section is 7, right? Then, and this section looks like it's, if I keep following this back, it looks like it's 4. So then if the whole piece is 7, that piece is 4, then from the left side to the middle or to that first line is 3. So for that prism, it looks like the base of this is 3, and the height of this rectangle as the base, if I follow these parallel lines back, is going to be 4 as well. So the volume of our rectangular prism is the area of the base, which is 3 times 4 times the height of the prism. The height of the prism goes along this line again. If I keep following it along these parallel lines, it looks like it's also 8. So the height of that prism is also 8. So our volume is equal to 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. That's the area of our base of the prism times 8. So 12 times 8 is going to be equal to 96 centimeters cubed. All right, I found the volume of one of the rectangular prisms. I found the volume of the other rectangular prism that make up this shape. And now lastly, I need to find them together because my total volume is going to be equal to the volume of the first rectangular prism plus the volume of our second rectangular prism. So the volume is equal to 168, which is the volume of my first rectangular prism, plus 96, which is the volume of my second. So volume is equal to 168 plus 96, and that's going to be 264 centimeters cubed. We're trying to figure out how many cubes can fit, 3-dimensional cubes can fit into that object, into this block that Morgan made. So we figured out that 264 cubed centimeters can fit in.